Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In the additional, in today's newspaper on Monday, July the 10th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles: the 1 star, the 4 stars, the binary, and you are interested in the Tectonic with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle number 6733. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. We don't know. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars, we don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question do we have here? Dual boxes. In this puzzle, I see here only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can't be a 5 anymore because we have a 5 in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Yeah, the same situation for a triple box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Alright, do we have more triple boxes in this puzzle? No. Then the next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, those numbers I cannot fill those yet. Then my next oh, here we have also a quadra box. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Next strategy. My next strategy is to recognize, my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see this L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's rotated, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No L shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. And this shape then, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here, rotated. The T shape here is rotated. When you see the T shape, remember Remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here, and that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. Alright, only one T shape. Then the final shape, how about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started with filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright, these two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can also not be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. How about these 3 boxes? Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be 1, but also that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, and that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So only 1 box left for the 1 in this area. I should be here then. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I marked those two boxes in with 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and 3, well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3, but we already have a 2 there, so it cannot be a 2 anymore. It should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. That means that these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this cross area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this quadrat box should be there. Is connected with that box should be also a 2. Two numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 1 or a 3 because we have a double 1 there and a double 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, that box should be a 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. Then. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. This box can be a 2. Those two boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we also 2 or a 4. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 4 here. Alright. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4 because we have a double 2 there and a double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 4. 3 and a 1, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 3 and a 4, cannot fill this yet. Here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then these two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 3. But we already have a 3 here. So it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be also 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I marked those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well. 15 minutes, 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.